it's Nora, and today I'm back with POPIN COOKIN, and I'm doing the Gummy Land one, which is just a whole bunch of gummies, and I'm excited and ready to be grossed out. So let's get into it. Okay, so I punched out all these little cookie cutters. I have a heart, I have a flower, I have a fish, and what looks like a giraffe, and also this little fork. So the first thing I need to do is take this green labeled powder, just cut that open, and then pour it into the big one with the star and stuff. So just pour that in. It looks just like sugar, just sugar. Ooh, it doesn't smell like sugar though. It smells kind of interesting. So now I have this little water dropper, and I have a glass of water right in front of me. And so I'm just gonna fill these little containers, 3 of them, up to the line.
Oh goodness, okay. Just will do that. And then what I'm gonna do is just pour the little powders into that container once all the things are full.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna take these 3 little bags and add them into the 3 little containers. So let's get this open. This is the yellow one. And I think this might be lemon. I don't know if they have flavors, but I have a feeling. So there's already a bit of water in there. And pour that in. So I made 3 more colors by just mixing those in the little compartments. And so now I have 6 colors in total. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to take one of these little cookie cutter things, put them like in here when it's flat. So I wanna make the giraffe. So this is pretty flat, it's flat enough. Alright, so I'm gonna start making the gummies by putting it in this little like thing. Okay, so I'm going to take some yellow, and I'm going to make a little yellow head, I guess. And I guess I just squeeze it in this way. I'm going to make, oh, yellow body. Okay, we're going with it. Then I'm going to get some orange in there, and do just little legs that are orange. So we let it sit for just a little. So let's see. I'm gonna take the mini little fork. Oh, I don't have any place to pop it out. You know what? The napkin's gonna be its new home. Okay, so we're just gonna take the fork. I'm gonna use this end and just, oh no, oh my goodness. And it's almost out. This leg is just killing me. Alright, this is the interesting draft. It's sticky, but like, it looks fine. It's fine. We're good. Alright, so now it's time to taste test these. So we have 3 good ones and 1 fail, which is the poor little giraffe who could not. I'm gonna try the good ones first. That's probably the best idea. I made the little star, which I'm pretty proud of this little star. I think it's cute, but now I'm gonna eat it, and I don't think it's gonna be great. It smells artificial. It's really sour. Okay. I think they're flavored. So I have to definitely, I mean, it's not bad. It's not amazing. It's very sugary, but not in a good way. Oh, okay. No, not great. Texture, not very good. But it's not as bad as my last POPIN COOKIN. That was disgusting. These are like tolerable. Like I would eat another one. I'm gonna take a bite of the little fish. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Nora J. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.